Hi, this is Mrs. Dommel, and this is the 5th grade Radial Design Project. Here's a few examples of a radial design using markers, Sharpie, and pencils like we're going to use today. This artwork is going to be used for the Square One Art fundraiser. Your family could order different things like flags, coffee cups, Christmas ornaments, all with your design on it. You also get a pack of free stickers. Everyone does. So that's pretty cool. This is a rose window. It's a part of a church. It's also a radial design. So in artwork, you could definitely count architecture as part of art. Architecture is the design of buildings. Radial symmetry is the same all around, just like a starfish. Can you think of other examples that occur in nature? How about a snowflake? The inside of an apple shows radial symmetry. Here's a flower showing radial symmetry. It goes all around in a circle. Let's start by folding the paper. Let's go ahead and do this part together. Take your paper and fold it into a triangle. Aim up the pointy part of the triangle. Bring your finger down the paper and then press the edges to make a perfect triangle. Let's open it up. There you go, one line. Fold it again the opposite way, so you're gonna have a big X right in the center. Open it up and make sure you have like a multiplication sign right there. Great job. Next, we're gonna fold a plus sign in the center, so side to side. It's a square, so it doesn't matter which side you start with. Fold it. Press it down nice and neat. And then fold that other edge over. So now you have a multiplication sign and a plus. Let's open it up and check. There you go. The folds we just made and the lines we made before. Awesome. We're only going to draw on one triangle. You should have 8 triangles total. There's my small triangle. I'm going to draw simple designs, nothing too crazy, because I'm going to be repeating this. I'm going to be drawing this a whole bunch of times. So I'm going to make sure all of my lines go, some of them go to the edge. They're going to be repeated on all the other folds. So you'll see when I rub it and fold it. But I'm making bold designs, bold shapes. Point of this is to repeat it on all of the triangles. So now I'm just going to fold it and rub it very hard with my scissors without wrinkling the paper. And I'll see that it transferred. It's going to be really light, but these pencils that we're using will transfer better than a normal pencil. Go ahead and rub the whole thing with your scissors and make sure it transferred over. You have to use your bat vision on this because it's kind of hard to see. Rub the whole thing. Open it up to see. Oh, not good yet. Keep rubbing. Open it up. And I can trace all those lines. If you can't see it, just go ahead and fold it back up and try again. So I'm gonna go ahead and trace all of the lines that I see on that one triangle. And I'm pressing pretty hard. There I go. It's all filled up. Now go ahead and I'm going to fold it again over and rub it again. Takes a little effort. Again, I'm making sure that I'm not wrinkling my paper. I'm just pressing nice and firmly. And I can see that my design is transferring over. It doesn't have to be completely visible, just so you can kind of see the outline, and then you go ahead and trace that. And there I'm done. I continued till I was completely done with the whole thing. Now I'm going to get out a Sharpie and I'm going to trace all over my pencil lines until it's completely covered. I don't want to skip any. I want a nice black outline for all of this design. Completely cover everything. There I go. I'm done. Nice and bold. I like that. Now it's time to get out the markers. I want to continue to think about the symmetry in my design. For example, if I color that one, and that one, and that one, and that one color, that would be great, because they're the same exact thing. I can see those little cloud things, there's 8 of them. So let's go ahead and I'm going to color that one, and then all 4 of those the same thing. It's going to give some unity to our design to have the same color on all 4 of those. Color choice is up to you, but we like to go kind of slow. If you go really fast with a marker, it tends to skip. But if you take your time, this video, I sped it up a lot, but if you take your time on each little spot, it won't give that skippy kind of look to it. It will be nice and colored in. So you can see that I did those 4 the same, and the blue ones are the same. And I'm going to color that one yellow, I think, and there I'm done. Now you could leave it like this. I kind of like it like this, or you can add a color to the background, and it's going to be just more work, but I think the overall look was a little bit better, and here's my final version. Now remember, we want to do our best work on these. This is going to be at least free stickers for you, but definitely something that your parents could order on a bag or a Christmas ornament. There's keychains and a flag, just anything you can imagine. That's all for now. Thanks for doing your best job, and I'll see you on the next project. Bye for now.